A lot of people happy, so the Arbitrum help Aave and froze the stolen money. But I made a post about it. It's cool on one side, but the bad on the other side, because it's one more big proofs. It's not a thousand, it's millions just frozen. What the decentralization? What's the main purpose of the crypto in general? So if even in the blockchain, your money can be frozen with Arbitrum, with Ethereum, whatever, right? Even the USDT just by themselves sometimes the froze. The last time that 300 millions they froze it. So I hands down, guys. But we lost the main idea of the crypto. It's totally under control, and it's bigger control than even the fiat money. Because the real decentralization, it's a paper money. When you hold and save your paper, dollars, euro, whatever, at home, and nobody know what amount of money do you have, how do you spend it, they can't track it. And imagine if now at just the beginning of the mass adoption, of the beginning of the tokenization, when the banks, everybody pray, so the banks give that permission for people to use the crypto like deposits, and the bank gonna hold your money. If the bank don't like something in the future, and the bank under control of the governments, if the bank don't like something, they can just throw that. Hey, Arbitrum, can you throw this money? Yes, one click, boom, your money is frozen. That's why, guys, it's kind of strange, because behind every single the blockchain stays some real humans, the real team, and government can call that team and ask for the favor. All right, guys. Now we talk about the charts. Let me show you the good moment, guys. You remember the initiation accumulation pump model, right? So you remember this custom FIB. And now, if you missed my previous videos, I released the brand new indicator. So now you don't need to draw all these lines manually. You can just use it totally for free. Just click one button here, turn on the indicator, and all lines, all levels, like you can see now on the chart, will be added automatically onto your screen. So here we hide this FIB. What I drew it 2 years ago or 3 years ago. Manually now, you just daily time frame, click it, bam. Amazing, just amazing. So invalidation level was on SGX here, 10 cents. We invalidated. I add my alerts here for potential long position, right? But I hope Arbitrum already formed at the bottom. I'm not buying the Arbitrum, so I skip it. And especially after that situation, no, I don't want to touch the Arbitrum, just to be honest. I truly believe the Arbitrum, like a speculative token, will hit maybe even the new all-time high in the future, right? But the high, guys, I'm not expect like $5, $10 now. More than real to see, for example, $3 more than real to see. The middle term target still the same, still relevance, guys. It's a $1.54, $1.65, this zone. By the way, you can turn on, turn off the field zones. So everything now and so invalidation, we already invalidated. This is a break of structure, what I'm waiting, right? And so this is what I think we will see in the next upcoming months. Or we drop to the test the 10 cents, because usually when we form something like this impulse, for example, hey, where the deep levels, and here this one, and this was the bottom. So when we form something like this one, guys, we usually come back and test the 0.5. So it can be this order block, it's 11.08 or 10.47, maybe even drop to this order block like 9.60, 9.22 this summer. So I'll be not surprised, guys, if this is a daily time frame, if we will see something like this one, we climb it up, break the structure, and the summer drop again to the 10.47, form the double bottom, and only in autumn going higher. So this is a more than realistic scenario for Arbitrum. I don't think so. We will go now from current prices to the moon, right? This is a this zone, green one, previously it played out like support. Now it's going to be like resistance. So after the break of structure, definitely we're going to receive the resistance at 27.19, 36.28. That's why, for me personally, now no setup for entry. Futures trades more than real to try open at 0.5 at this order block, but I don't think so. We're going to hold it. 11.08 and 10.47. So this is it. Now I don't see any setup for continuation, right? All right, so let's take a look at the other indicators, ADZ direction. Here, daily, we're in distribution. And one more time, come back to that situation, guys. It's about a trust. It's about a trust. So how many people gonna leave the Arbitrum and not hold the USDT, even or USDC in that chain? We'll see. So what is the solution? Hold everything in Ethereum, also risky. So crypto, it's a high risky assets. So this is the distribution on the daily, guys. So locally, I wish to see the drop or the block, this one zone, hold it, and form like 3 dots pattern. Drop, another wave, break the structure, and correction, deeper correction this summer. So we got like 12, or not 12. Yes, 13, 12 days before the Donald Trump and CCP meeting. And I think till that time, we will see a lot of positive around the market, even the fake positive. And after that, a correction. Direction, no signals to buy or sell, nothing. Take a look at the market mode, money power. This is apheria. That's kind of weird. We're at the bottom, around the bottom, right? But it's apheria after the pump. And we're not even pumping the 100%. It was like 8 and 13.68. So not even 100. So this is apheria. This was a money outflow. Weekly time frame, yes, we underrated. Definitely we underrated. Intuition accumulation pump model not showing you on the weekly and the monthly charts. So this is this belief on the weekly past the middle line. So I wish to see the continuation. Of course, I don't see any setup now. This gap will be filled for sure. 1084, 972. If we fill this order now, like this one, it can be the good signal. So maybe we will see the DeFi summer, similar something, right? But I'm not sure. I'm more about the continuation in May, higher to this gap, maybe break the structure and drop it down, correction to summer. This is disbelief capitulation on the weekly. Daily, of course, it's apheria. So for intraday trade, for swing trades, it's not a good entry. Now, money power, I showed you trade on, take profit. Here, a buy line now, it's 724. At least we start curve a little bit higher. So take profit line also not tested. It's 1439. Exit line, it's 1613. So mark that levels and wait the targets. Weekly time frame, guys, we still underrated, and yes, definitely we will test this year 20 cents 32. It's a fundamental value line. Buy line is 27.15 and take profit line 53.51. Exit line 60.71. All lines will be triggered, but guys, add alerts to the lines because the lines are dynamic. So here, let's add an alert to the fundamental price line. So when we alert added, so when we'll hit that line, it's going to be like a local short trade. Write please in the comment what you think about Arbitrum. Write please in the comment what do you think about that situation with the frozen money. Is it good or not? In general for the crypto. If you'd like to trade with my customer service, will show it on this video. Add the same alerts like I did in this video. Just write me a DM. Don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.